I have taken you the angle sum property of the triangle. The sum of the angles of a triangle is 180 degree, that we understood. And also we have solved the exercise 6.3. In that, two angles would have been given and one angles will be found out. Okay, so this is what the method of finding, how to find out the third angle when two angles are given, we understood. In the today's session, I am doing two special kinds of triangles. Two special triangles. What is that speciality? What are the special triangles? We will see now. The first one is equilateral triangle. The second one is isosceles triangle. What is equilateral triangle? See here. When two sides are equal, this is a triangle ABC. Suppose AB is equal to BC, BC is equal to CA. This shows that all the three sides are equal. Okay, in this all the three sides are equal means that is called as equilateral triangle. If all the three sides are equal, one property you have to learn here, very important property is, if three sides are equal, their opposite angles are also equal. See here, AB is there. Which angle is opposite to AB? C is the opposite angle of AB. Which angle is opposite to BC? Angle A is opposite to BC. Which angle is opposite of CA? Angle B is opposite to CA. That means that if AB is equal to BC, BC is equal to CA, automatically see here, AB is equal to BC is equal to CA. All the three sides are equal. This implies that opposite of AB is C. Angle C is equal to BC. Opposite is angle A is equal to angle B. If three sides are equal, and that implies that their opposite angles are also equal. So equilateral triangle is also called as equiangular triangle. Equiangular means here each angle is 60 degree, 60 degree, 60 degree. Okay, this is what equilateral triangle. This is one speciality. What is special here? The property. What is that property? If three sides are in an equilateral triangle, three sides are equal and their opposite angles are also equal. And that triangle is also called as equiangular triangle. Equiangular means all three are 60-60. In the previous class you all learned already 60 plus 60 plus 60 is 180. The angle sum property is 180 degree. So this is what one speciality regarding the equilateral triangle. Now isosceles triangle. The second speciality is isosceles. What is this isosceles here? In a triangle, now this triangle is P, Q, R. It is two sides are equal. See here, PQ is equal to PR. See, only these two we are showing. That means that PQ is equal to PR. PQ is equal to PR. Two sides are equal. In a triangle, if two sides are equal to each other, then that triangle is said to be isosceles triangle. Okay, that triangle is said to be isosceles triangle. Then one special property is here. What is the property? If PQ is equal to PR and their opposite angles are equal. What is the opposite angle of PQ? Angle R is opposite to PQ. And what is the opposite of PR? Angle Q is opposite to that. If PQ is equal to PR, that implies that angle R equal to angle Q. Angle R equal to angle Q. That means base angles are equal here. If two sides are equal, their opposite angles are equal. If two sides are equal, that triangle is said to be isosceles triangle. If three sides are equal, then the triangle is said to be equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle is also an equiangular triangle. And there the special property is, if three sides are equal, their opposite angles are equal. That means each angle is 60, 60, 60 degree. So this is what speciality about the triangle. Here two triangles, they are having their special property. Okay. Now after this, one more property you are learning, that also important. See here children, to become perfect these two property, here try this is it. Please, you all have to do this. One or two just I will do and show you. Remaining all, in fair note only you have to do this one. See, very easy, that is how to find out. Try these they have given. First one, in the try these. Try this. First one, see, one triangle they have given, and this equal to this. These two sides are equal, and this is angle x, and this is 40 degree. Here see, two sides are equal. That means this is isosceles triangle. Their opposite angles are equal. Opposite to this is 40 degree. Opposite to this is x. Then what about x? Here, this implies that x angle x is also equal to 40 degree. Okay, like this you have to do try this in the fair note also. Using these two property, you have to solve this, try this in the fair note. This is your work. Okay. Now next, one more property I am going to teach you. What is that property? We will see now. Very very important that also. See. That property is, suppose a triangle is having three sides, you know it. Okay. A, B, C. Here, the length of the two sides, the length of sum of two sides must be greater than the third side. Then only we can construct the triangle. See here now. AB plus AC must be always greater than BC. Always the sum of the lengths of the two sides of the triangle must be greater than the third side. AB plus AC must be greater than BC. Suppose AB plus BC must be greater than AC. AC plus AB is greater than BC. Always sum of the two sides of the triangle must be greater than the third side. Then only we can construct the triangle. Okay. Some examples we will take. See here. Suppose this is 4 cm, 5 cm, this is 6 cm. Now we will see. 4 plus 5, 9. Yes, 9 is greater than 6. Yes. This triangle can be constructed. Taking this 4 cm, 5 cm, 6 cm, we can construct it. Okay, next. Now, one more thing. Not only just by saying 1 now. 5 plus 6 is 11. 11 is greater than 4. If these two, if you take, this sum of these two must be greater than the third side. 4 plus 5 is 9. 9 is greater than third side is 6. 5 plus 6 is 11. 11 is greater than 4. Yes. Then 6 plus 4 is 10. 10 is greater than 5. All the three conditions satisfied. Then we can construct this triangle. Suppose sometimes the triangle may be like this. 2, 3 and 1. See here now. 2 plus 3 is 6. 6 is greater than 1. Okay. Then 3 plus 1 is 4. 4 is greater than 2. Okay. 1 plus 3 is, 1 plus 2 is 3. Is not greater than 0, equal to 3. 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. That means this triangle cannot be constructed. Cannot be constructed. We cannot construct it. So, try to understand. These three conditions must be satisfied. What is the condition? That is, the sum of the lengths of the two sides of a triangle must be greater than the third side. The sum of the lengths of the two sides of the triangle must be greater than the third side. So, on the basis of these three conditions, now I am going to solve the exercise 6.5. 4. Okay. Now we'll see 6.4 one by one very easily. Now the exercise 6.4. Exercise 6.4. First one. Is it possible to have a triangle with the following sides? You take the heading. First one. 2 centimeter, 3 centimeter, 5 centimeter. Just now I explained you now whether is it possible to construct or not. We'll see. Okay. See 2 plus 3 5. Okay. 5 is equal to 5. Is it possible? So whether it is possible to construct the exercise triangle or not, we will see now. The first 6.4 first main, it is not possible. See here, better we draw one triangle. This is 2 centimeter, 3 centimeter, 5 centimeter. We will do now. 2 plus 3 must be greater than, it must be greater than 5, but here it is 5 equal to 5. So it is not possible. Not possible. Okay. The same way now in the first main, second one we will do, that is 3 centimeter, 6 centimeter, 7 centimeter. 3 centimeter, 6 centimeter, 7 centimeter. Okay. Now answer you can write the full. Not possible to have this triangle. Have this triangle. Okay. Now we see here, this is one triangle. This is 3, 6, 7. We will do now 3 plus 6. 3 plus 6 must be greater than 7. 3 plus 6 is 9 is greater than 7. Yes, well the condition satisfied. Now 6 plus 7 must be greater than 3. 6 plus 7 is 13 is greater than 3. Yes. Now 6 plus 7. 3 plus 6 is 6 plus, now 7 plus 3. 7 plus 3 must be greater than 6. 7 plus 3 is 10 is greater than 6. Yes, it is possible. Yes, it is possible to have a triangle. Have a triangle. Now the third one. The third one, 6 centimeter, 3 centimeter, 2 centimeter. 6 centimeter, 3 centimeter, 2 centimeter. See now, draw the rough diagram. 6 centimeter, 3 centimeter, 2 centimeter. Now 2 plus 6 must be greater than 3. Okay, 2 plus 6 is 8 is greater than 3. Okay, first one 2 plus 6. Now 6 plus 3 must be greater than 2. Okay, 9 is greater than 2. Okay, next 3 plus 2 must be greater than 6. See here, 3 plus 2 is 5, is not greater than, it is smaller than 6. That means not possible to, it is not possible to have, so not possible to have this triangle. This triangle. Okay, this is what the first main now we have done. I hope you understood. Second one, second main. Take any point O in the interior of a triangle. On diagram they have given. So we have to take interior point as O. Then this is P Q and R. Now they have given some conditions. Take any point O in the interior of a triangle PQR. Is QOP plus OQ is greater than PQ? We'll see. The first one is, here see, just we join it. Okay. Now see, OP plus OQ is greater than PQ? Yes. OP plus OQ is greater than PQ. Yes. Then second one, OQ plus OR. OQ plus OR is greater than QR. Yes. That also? Yes. Then OR plus OP. OR plus OP is greater than RP. Yes. These three also satisfied here. All three are also greater than, because that condition is there. Then third main is a third main. They have given the figure. We have to give the answer for that. See, AM is a median of a triangle ABC. See, this is triangle ABC, A, B, C. Okay. Now, AM is median. Median means the middle point of this. That means median means this part is equal to this part. Here it is AM, no? BM must be equal to MC. Suppose this is 10 centimeter. This must be 5 and 5. So now here AM is median. AM is median. They ask some questions. See there. Here AM is median means automatically CM must be equal to BM. AM is a median of a triangle ABC. Is AB plus BC plus CA is greater than 2AM? What is that? AB plus next BC. AB plus BC is full. AB plus BC plus CA is greater than 2AM. Is greater than 2AM. 2 times AM. Consider the sides of triangle ABM and AMC. ABM and AMC. Because here this one we have to solve it. We have to perform it. How it is? We have to solve. How to solve it in the triangle? See, AC plus AM. First one. AC plus AM is greater than MC. Okay. Or we will take like this. AC plus CM. AC plus CM is greater than AM. Call this as number 1. Then here AB plus or BA plus BM is greater than AM. Call this as 2. In these two triangles, this is the condition given. Now, on adding 1 and 2, these two we have to add. What happens here? AC plus BA plus CM plus BM is greater than AM plus AM. Here see, AC plus BA. Here CM plus BM. CM plus BM is BC. In this place we can write BC is greater than AM plus AM is 2AM. 2AM. So what they asked now, the same thing they asked. This is what? Yes. The answer is yes. AB plus BC plus AB plus BC plus AB is greater than 2 am. This is what? The third main. Students, next fourth, fifth, sixth main I am going to continue in the next session. Thank you for watching. Share and subscribe my channel.